discuss the translation studies. Definition of translation studies. Translation studies is the field of a study that deals with the theory, description, and application of translation because it examines translation not only irregularly transfer but also as an intercultural communication. It can also be described as a interdiscipline which touches on otherwise fields of knowledge including comparative literature, culture studies, gender studies, often paired with the interpreting all through two or distinct fields. History of translation study. Although translation from the Roman had been much to say about the theory and practice of a translation, it was not until the 20th century that translation study emerged as a formal academic discipline. James Lamb's 1972 landmark paper and attempt the name and the nature of the translation studies was the foundation statement of the translation studies. It called for the creation. So, in translation studies, an academic discipline, translation studies entirely the systematic examination of translation both as an applied practice and also as a means of understanding the movement and transfer between diverse language and culture. Translation studies deals with the practical experiences of the translator. It also explores from theoretical and methodological perspective the history and the philosophy of a translation as well as a current trend in the field. Translation study may examine the practice and a context of translation texts that are a specialist legal, business, medical, extra. It is also may explore the art of translation as a creative act in a literary translation and international marketing. Translation study may also explore how issues of a culture, power, gender, ethic, medium affect the act of translation. The study of these enables students to apply their theoretical understanding of the approach, techniques, and the choice that are used daily as a practice translator. What does translation studies involve? The studies translation usually include the analysis of a key text, enabling students to develop an awareness of the problem of understanding and interpretation. It also involves the development of an analytical, practical, evaluating, aesthetic, and exploring skills required to address the translation problem. Finally, it includes develop the research skills, particle translation skills, and the ability to develop a strategy for many complex linguistics and culture transactions.